When your world gets stressful, get your hands on something soothing. Simple Dimple is a fidget toy that supplies a satisfying pop and soft rubbery feel, giving you an unlimited amount of soothing entertainment as you fidget through your frustrations toward productivity and stress relief.
Ah, gross.
Simple Dimple's sturdy plastic frame and a small carabiner allows you to take it with you anywhere you go. Put it in your purse, put it in your pocket, or hang it on your backpack.
Come on!
Grab some relaxation with Simple Dimple and hundreds more gifts.